はい、こんにちは。今回の動画はクソ重かったあの機械がダイエットに成功して細マッチョになって堂々とデビューしました。それがこれです。レッキスバンドソーマンティスシリーズ XB125 ミニ。基本的な機能から新しく搭載された機能まで紹介していきたいと思います。それでは本日もやっていきましょう。今までこのサイズは後ろにローラーがついていて転がしながら現場を移動したものです。今回はびっくりするぐらいの軽さに仕上がってます。
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose.
使用が終わったらロックを必ずしましょう。移動するときにロックされてないとフレームだけ持ち上げて腰を痛めるときがあります。スイッチを押すステすごい大事な部品です。たまに曲げたり折れたりすることあるんで大事にしましょう。刃の向きが分かりやすく表記してあるの最高です。 このブラシ最高の仕事してます。若干職場放棄してますけどね。でもついてないとハケで吐いたり掃除機で吸ったりいろいろ掃除がめんどくさいですよね。
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a 10. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a climb. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a voice.
こちらの2機種をお買い上げの際は真面目な TSK を見たと担当者の方に伝えていただければ ＲＥＸ 非売品ステッカーと昭和の香りがするチャンネルステッカーをもれなくプレゼントします。ご視聴ありがとうございました。グッド、サンクス、チャンネル登録もお願いします。マンティスシリーズのマンティスってカマキリのこと？